Imagine waking up to the sound of birds instead of traffic, sunlight gently warming the walls of your tiny rolling home, and realizing you're parked in a place most people can only visit on vacation. Today, we're stepping inside what might be the most affordable dream home on wheels you've ever seen. Something so clever, so cozy, and so surprisingly budget-friendly that you'll be shocked this level of comfort can actually roll down the highway. Now picture this. A compact design that doesn't feel cramped, storage that's hidden in all the right places, and a layout that makes you forget you're even in a mobile home. The moment you step inside, you get that warm, I could live here, feeling. And that's exactly what makes this setup different from the typical RV or camper. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle upgrade engineered for anyone who wants freedom without draining their bank account. As we take a few steps further, the first thing that grabs your attention is the living area. It transforms effortlessly. One second it's a workspace, the next it's a chill-out zone for late-night movies or early morning coffee. Everything is multifunctional, and every inch counts. Whoever designed this thing clearly knew how to turn compact into comfortable. And wait until you see the kitchen. It's small, yes, but smart. You've got a burner setup that folds away, a sink that disappears under a counter cover, and just enough counter space to prep a meal that feels homemade anywhere you park. Plus, there's a surprisingly deep fridge tucked away, perfect for keeping a week's worth of food cold, saving you money and time on the road. Now let's talk about the bedroom area, because this is where the magic really happens. A bed that converts, lifts, or folds, depending on the model, opens up the whole space during the day. But at night, it turns into a cozy retreat that actually feels like a real bedroom. Soft lighting, breathable materials, and insulation that keeps things comfortable whether you're parked in the mountains or by the beach. And here's the part that will make your jaw drop: the price. Most people assume a home on wheels this polished, this functional, and this comfortable has to break the bank. But this unit is proof that you don't need to be rich to live freely. It's genuinely one of the most affordable setups on the market, turning the dream of full-time or part-time road living into a reality for normal people, not millionaires. But affordability doesn't mean cheap. You're getting durability, clever engineering, and the kind of low-maintenance setup that saves you money long-term. With fuel efficiency options, solar add-ons, and off-grid capability, this home on wheels gives you freedom without fear. So the real question is, what would you do if your home could go wherever you want? Would you chase sunsets, travel country to country, or park beside a quiet lake and just breathe for once? Because with this affordable dream home on wheels, that choice is finally yours. Stick with us, because the next part of this series dives into cost breakdowns, customization options, and the secret upgrades most people don't even know exist. You won't want to miss it.